Apat kasi capybara nga eh.
Why, hello everyone, this is Eliza and you're now watching on my channel. So, as you may know, I just graduated high school on May, but today is July 11th. But all of these clips were filmed when I was in school in 12th grade before our graduation, and probably almost all of the vlogs that are going to come up in the next, I don't know, following weeks or months up until I start college. But here's one of them, and I really missed it. That's why I sound a bit nasally right now. I just cried, I just broke down. But I really hope you guys enjoy it, and here was me in 12th grade. Enjoy! 누나 너무 예뻐 미쳐 Replay, replay, replay ba yan? Yoko na be? Just finished my OWA exam. I'm not that puzzled about the topics, but I am puzzled by the mathematics part. Like, ano yun? Ganun ba talaga kahirap? Sino ba kasi nag-invento ng math na yun? Akala ko kilala ko, te. Bilog na naman ng mukha ko. Ano ba yan? Init doon. Well, kasi naka-jacket ako. Pero tapat kasi ako ng aircon, guys. Like, tutok sa akin yung hangin ng aircon. Kanina. Kaya, nag-jacket ako. Gutom na ako. Sana dumalo muna ako ng McDo. Kasi for the whole day, I didn't eat yet. Tapos kahit naman pagkakain ako ng dinner, gugutomin pa rin ako later. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and eat. Tas eat ulit sa dinner later. Ito pa ng puso ko. Mantika din.
Make sure to go to I'm watching. Mine is bird gang. Watching it. We're on the balcony with the hot tub. Oh my goodness, our sun. Guys, and I think the look at all this.
It's a cat. Speak ka, di ko marinig. Di ko marinig. Ay, wag. Hi! Huh? Okay. Sabi mo. O, tignan mo, ang bagal mo mag-skate. Dalawang cellphone yung hawak ko. One! Kasi nandiyan. Ang bagal mo! Yeah. Ang galing kong mahulog.
Kasi lolo ko di nakatingin sa ano.
Maganda yan. Dadaan mo rin. Abraham Lincoln. Hi guys. Malamang hindi.
Kasi Mikaela.
Uy, pati na ano mo yun, ang pure ng kaluluwa nun.
Kali pasayo.
Masaya mo daw. Holy ba? Holy, magkatapat sila. Hey, Project Loki.
May dito sa ano.
Sabi ko, filming. Filming, nasa ano po kami.
I ain't got a single damn left in me, 'cause I'm tired of being sort of fantasy. And I certainly don't believe in destiny, but sometimes I wonder if it's meant to be. At this point I feel I got a history with how I fall too hard with boys initially. I'm trying not to take it too personally. Maybe the romantics just ain't it for me. Like how did I become a lesson? I'm not the type of girl you question. Can't even tell you why I'm stressing. I know I probably should've mentioned I got the feel, yes. Someone you can't forget.
Laging inalarm ni. Uy, may tickets ka, loko ni mo. Wait.
I know you still
Pag ganyan.
say
Pamahaba yung sa atin.
can't keep me here now.
You came in my life like a whirlwind. I think of you leaving the world ends. I like to think that I'm a pretty good lover, but I'm not good at having girlfriends. I'm not a player, I just crush a lot. But you be thinking that I crush a lot. And indie darling on the verge of pop. Don't assume I'm with that I hurt your heart.
Something.
Don't wanna be while you play it, turn it into
Hala, grabe yung pagka-blue. Ang puti pa. Blue flag. Blue flag. Ba't naging blue? Hindi ba? Brilyante ng ano? Brilyante ng brilyante ng tubig. Ano ba? Ano? Ewan ko sa'yo. Alog-alog yung brilyante. Ang random na gulat ako, parang kung sino. Parang umaga pa lang. Ay, naku, minalala tuloy ako sa paglalakad. Oo nga, no? Guys, alam niyo ba si Eliza? Ang ganda. Oh, talaga?
Guys, alam niyo ba si Eliza? May
Alam niyo ba si Ali? Naglalakad na dalawa yung paa.
Wala nga na, tatlo, be.
Apat kasi kapibara nga eh.
Ganda ko. Maganda ako. Uy, mas maganda si Mocha. May Mocha. Huwag mong matusok. Ang bilis ah.
Chewy lang yan po naman, lasa yan eh.
Well seasoned nga yan eh.
Ano eh, ba't naman ito? Uy, lumulubog. Hindi ka lumulubog. 2024.
Okay na yung itlog pala ito.
Ayoko nga, binigay ko nga sa pusa yung ano eh.
Star, sa'yo na lang itlog ko. 2024.
Kinote ka niya kasi.
Okay ito.
Ang talaga eh. What's that?
Hindi pwede mo gumawa.
Okay, paluto nga mo ka. Fried rice. Kaya alam, three-fold cake ba yun?
Truffle yun. Truffle, di ba?
Sa pa rin to. 3-tier.
Three.
Ano yun? Iyak? Yung tatlong lola. So yung pinapagawa yun, saan mo pinapagawa? Naku, Eliza.
Po. Yung itlog mo, Carl. Yung itlog mo daw, Carl. Pakalat-kalat.
Sarap naman.
Ay, orange na itlog. Tubig.
Hindi naman masin itlog eh.
Ano ba yan?
Isa, labing dalawa. Ay,
Tanga pulo ket duwa. Doon nga pulo pala.
dalapokit.
Doon nga pulo.
Ikuki.
Hindi ko nga ma-open itong Yung pinagkukwentuhan pa lang nila. Gagandahan na ako. Yung atin,
Nung nakita ko pa lang doon.
yung rarason mo dun, no? Pag si yung nagsabi.
Meron ka mo, di ba gusto mag-plagiarize sa pirma? Mali, ginagawa yung pirma ni plagiarize ko. Ang ganda pa ng pagkakagaya. Sabi ka yung pirma ni mama.
Sunog! Baba na tayo? Tara na. Mainit ate.
Respect. Don't talk to me. Huh? Don't talk to me about respect as if you have any. If you had any form of respect, you wouldn't. If you had any form of respect, you wouldn't.
Parang kulang ano mo, Anton. Like, hindi ka galit. Hindi ka galit.
Mukha or sa...
The boy. Actually, both. Everything.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Dapat hilahin siya, Eliza.
Wait, no!
Yung hila, mapapatayo siya.
Hindi naman yung mapatayo ate ko.
Wait lang, nag-lock.
Wala lang.
Tignan natin.
You want to humiliate me all you want, but don't involve her in any of this.
Ano?
Filming scene. Day 1.
3, 2, 1,
I wouldn't have done it.
Wait. Sorry. You have another position. 3, 2, 1, action.
I wouldn't have done it if you just apologized.
3, 2.
Day 2 of filming.
i-stalk nyo si Carl sa TikTok.
Bakit?
Ang sama ng tingin ni baby. Cerebral cortex, frontal lobe, occipital, pharyngeal, tan. Gawin mong ano. Hi, Miss Trish! Magaling. 1, 2, 3, 4.